Welcome to this tutorial on creating a vertex geometry from a CSV file in DREAM3D-NX. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a vertex geometry with attached attribute arrays. The example file used in this tutorial contains EBSD data collected on a hexagonal grid. DREAM3D-NX does not natively support hexagonal grids, so additional filters are typically required to convert the data to a square grid. However, if you want to visualize the data as it was originally acquired, this workflow allows you to do so using a vertex geometry. We begin by importing the Read CSV file filter. First, select the input data file. Then we'll configure our filter parameters. The data in this file begins on line 34, so we'll change the start import line number to 34. The data is also space delimited. Now we'll label each column of the data. For Euler angles, we'll label E0, E1, and E2, X for X position, Y for Y position, IQ for image quality, CI for confidence index, phase, SEM signal, and fit. After any filter parameter changes, save the changes by clicking the yellow check mark. We can change the data type of each column to float 32 using the column data type parameter. Now let's add a Create Data Array filter. We'll put the imported data tree into the created array parameter and change the imported data name to Z. This will be the Z coordinate. Then change the output numeric type to float 32. Next, we'll add the Combine Attribute Arrays filter. We'll need to combine multiple arrays, meaning we'll need two of these filters. Let's combine the Euler angles first. Simply drag E0, E1, and E2 into the arrays to combine parameter, then click the Move Data checkbox. Call this array Euler angles. Next, drag a second Combine Attribute Arrays filter into the pipeline. For this filter, we'll combine X, Y, and Z objects. Name this one Shared Vertex List, then click the Move Data checkbox. Now we'll create the geometry. Add the Create Geometry filter into the pipeline. Change the length unit to micrometer and the geometry type to vertex. Move the Shared Vertex List into the Shared Vertex List parameter. Then change the geometry name to EBSD hex-grid. Next, we'll add a Move Data filter. We'll move confidence index, Euler angles, fit, image quality, phase, and SM signal objects in this filter. Drop in the vertex data object into the new parent parameter. Now, we need a Delete Data filter. We'll drop in the imported data object into the data paths to remove parameter. After that, run the pipeline and take a look at the visualization. The first thing we will change is the view. We'll change the view to a points view. Using the Array drop-down, you can choose which array to view. Let's view a couple different arrays like confidence index and Euler angles. Next, we'll adjust the point size using the point size parameter. We'll change it to 5 since the points are too small on 1 but too big on 10. Now to save our data, we'll add a Write DREAM3D-NX file filter. Apply the Write XDMF file if you wish to use the file in ParaView or a similar app. Rerun the pipeline after adding this filter and the data will appear where you saved it. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at DREAM3D.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.